Yo, so what I'm going to do now is the silicone. I'm going to do the bottom part because I'm going to be using two colours. It'll be white up there, grey here. So I need to do the bottom first. So we'll zap up there. Like so. Come and go across there a bit. My nozzle should be a little bit wider actually, but we'll get there. The reason why I'm doing the bottom is because I don't want my spray to, if I was doing that, my spray would run down the wall. I don't want that because I can't have it wet. This is something that I just knocked up a minute ago. It's easy to clean your paddle pop stick. Anyone can do silicone, I tell you. Absolute anyone. Cool. Now what colour do I use up there? There's the old hand tool again. Do I go a white? Yes, I think so. So I'll go into that corner and then I'll use it. Then I'll use a white. So if I don't spray into the corner, DIYs, I might be lucky. Because I've got spray on my, everywhere, like on my paddle pop stick, and I was able to do 50 ml without spray, so that's good. So now I haven't got it wet, I can go white up off that corner. So that's going to be white. I need a nozzle. I've got to find another nozzle, which I'm sure I will in the van somewhere, before I change over to white. Okay, what do I do there? White, 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 because it's against a white tile. This silicone must be a little bit runnier because it doesn't want to stop. It wants to keep going. Even when I hit the trigger to stop it, you know? Wants to just keep going. Still, too bad. We'll get around it. I've just made a mistake. Take it out. Crusoe. Wrong colour. White against the white tile. Grey against your grey tile. No biggie. See, even when you make a big mistake, like I just did, put the wrong colour in, it's not the end of the world. I'll just have to do that last, very last, so then it's dry enough. See, that's amazing. Nice. People say there's a knack to silicone, there's not really. I don't reckon. Just don't spray too much, people. Don't spray too much in front of you. What have we got there? Some foreign matter. I went too far then, people. I thought I was being clever. I went too far with a big blob and then it was too hard to get into there. I was just saying, don't let it build up. Don't let it build up too much on your paddle pop stick. If it's not quite working, just stick your tongue out a little bit more. If you're having a little bit of trouble, work with your tongue, stick it out a little bit more, and everything will go right. I've just got to let that dry, and I can come back to it. Cool, we'll go across the top now. Like so. Just get it out of the VJ. Right, I'll come back to you soon. See ya.